Hey, what's up everybody? Wolf Daddy here at Team Wolf Daddy. So I posted some pictures of a new truck that I got on the social network. So I posted the pictures on Instagram and the Facebook, and then a lot of people started asking questions saying, hey, when are we going to see this on the YouTube channel? So I just went down to Ohio. I did trade the SRT10 in for the F150. So I just got the F-150 back home in Virginia, so I haven't had a lot of time to do much with it, but I did manage to mount camera as far as videotaping the gauge cluster, so I'll make a few 0 to 60 polls, and we'll get that uploaded just to get this thing started. And then later on this week, I'm going to get some more cameras mounted. I'm trying to get it out to a few car meets, maybe the drag strip, and start putting this truck to work. So I do have some big goals for this truck, and I really hope to make something out of it. So we got some 22s ordered through Scott Belgian wheels. Those are 22-inch Ford's wheel. I got suspension. I made an appointment with Vass to do the suspension out in Texas. This truck will be headed out to the Coyote Shootout out in Texas. And that is September 21st, sometime around there. So we will be headed out west. And, like I said, I do have big goals for this truck, and hope to make something out of it. Just really want to thank everybody for following me. And if you don't, please subscribe and watch the journey as we build this truck. Thanks.